Hi children, today we have a topic in your 5th class related to dense forest. The land of dense forest. The land of dense forest which are in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo is a country in Africa. Africa, if you observe, in the central part you have this country of Democratic Republic of Congo, where equator passes through that country. Through the Democratic Republic of Congo, the longest latitude, 0 degree latitude, passes. So, this Democratic Republic of Congo is in the equatorial region. Its location, if you observe, equatorial region. Means both sides of equator, which areas are present, those are equatorial region. Okay, where we get high temperature every day due to vertical rays falls on the equator. More temperature, more heat we receive there. Okay, so equatorial region, Democratic Republic of Congo comes into equatorial region. So the climate, if you observe, hot and wet climate you can see there. Now why it is wet? Because due to high temperature every day it rains. Every day it get a rainfall after 4 o'clock. So the rainfall in Democratic Republic of Congo is known as 4 o'clock rainfall. Capital of Democratic Republic of Congo is Kinshasa. Kinshasa. So north of DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, we have Central African Republic country and Sudan. North we have Sudan and CAR, Central African Republic. And eastwards we have Uganda and Tanzania. Uganda and Tanzania. Southward Zambia and Angola. Zambia and Angola. And westward you have Republic of Congo. Same name but a little bit different. Democratic Republic of Congo, Republic of Congo. Both were once upon a time called as a Zaire. Then they divided into two countries now. Next, rivers, if you observe, the major river is River Congo, which is second largest in Africa, and largest river in Africa is Nile. So Congo river is the important river. Why? Because it is a lifeline for the people who are living in that area, and its economy also, income the people will get from this river Congo as a fishing or transportation purpose also it is useful. River Congo in Democratic Republic of Congo is the major river. Next, important peaks, if you observe, Margarita is the highest peak. Margarita is the highest peak in Democratic Republic of Congo, which is in Africa. But all over Africa, highest peak is Kilimanjaro in Tanzania country. Kilimanjaro, highest peak in Africa. But Margarita is the highest peak in Democratic Republic of Congo. Some lakes are present. Some lakes are present in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Lake Albert, Lake Edward, Lake Kivu, Lake Tanganyika. So already I said, Democratic Republic of Congo, previously known as Zaire, it is the third largest country in Africa according to area. And if you observe that Africa's other countries, more than 50 countries you have, in the largest country according to area is Sudan. Sudan is the largest country. Then after Algeria, second position according to areas. And third position is DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. But its climate is very interesting, hot and wet.